Hey everyone, today we will show you how to change the resolution in Google Meet. This can help improve video quality or reduce internet usage during meetings. This tutorial is for you if you are on your Google Meet dashboard. If you want to change the resolution of your camera, all you need to do is go to the settings and select Video Settings. To access the video settings, we first need to make an instant call. Let's start an instant meeting so we can adjust the resolution. You cannot adjust the resolution if you are not on a call. Once you are in a call, just click the video icon. There is an arrow for the video settings, and you will see a gear button for settings. Once you are in the settings, you will see the resolution options for your camera. There are settings for both sending and receiving video. You can set it to high definition, or choose to receive video in high or full high definition. If you want it to adjust automatically, just choose Auto. If you want high definition, simply select high definition for your camera. When you are done, just click this button and your camera resolution will be updated. These settings let you control the send and receive video resolution in Google Meet for better performance and clearer video calls. We will guide you through the settings so you can choose the resolution that works best for your device and internet connection.